Problem number 13. The summarized balance sheets of Mars Limited as on 31st March 2012 was as follows. Mars. Fixed assets, land and building, current assets, inventory, trade receivables, cash in bank. Share capital, 1 lakh equity shares of 10 rupees each, fully paid up 10 lakh. Reserves and surplus, capital reserve, contingency reserve, P&L account, current liabilities and provisions. Trade payables, provision for income tax. On 1st April 2012, Jupiter Limited agreed to absorb Mars Limited on the following terms and conditions. Jupiter Limited will take over the assets at the following values. Land and building 10 lakh 80,000, inventory 7 lakh 70,000, bills receivable 30,000. So they are going to take over only these assets. Purchase consideration will be settled by Jupiter Limited as under. Read the paragraph very carefully. Jupiter Limited will take over the assets at following values. So only following assets is taking over. Land and building, inventory and bills receivable. They are not concerned with bank balance. Purchase consideration will be settled by Jupiter Limited as under. 4,100 fully paid up, 10% preference shares of 100 each will be issued, and the balance will be settled by issuing equity shares of 10 rupees each at 8 rupees paid up. Is it clear? Balance means what? So we have to first of all calculate what is the value of assets he has taken over. He has not taken over any liability. Find out what is the value of assets taken over. Out of that is the total PC. Out of that, how much he has allotted in the form of preference shares, remaining in the form of equity shares. Liquidation expenses are to be reimbursed by Jupiter Limited to the extent of 5,000. So purchasing company is going to reimburse liquidation expense to the extent of 5,000. Trade receivables realized 1,50,000. So trade receivables, if you see the books, you have 1,82,000 rupees shown in the books, but he is taken over only bills receivable worth 30,000. Remaining bills receivable are realized by selling company for 1,50,000. Bills payable were settled for 38,000. That means bills payable, who is settling? Selling company is settling. Income tax authorities fixed the taxation liability at 2,22,000. See the balance sheet value. Provision was 2,20,000. Now the selling company is settling the liability at 2,22,000. Sir, for settling the liability, money is required, no? Bank balance is there. Not only bank balance, we also have realization from trade receivables. Trade payables were finally settled with cash remaining after liquidation expense amounting to 8,000. I think we have done a similar problem. Yes, sir. Next. Details of trade receivables and trade payables are now. By now you would have decided which method of accounting will you apply? Why? Trade receivables 1,60,000. Provision for bad and doubtful debts 8,000. 1,52,000. Bills receivable 30,000. So now he has given you breakup of trade receivables. See the balance sheet. Trade receivables 1,82,000. In that you have debtors and bills receivable. Purchasing company has taken over only bills receivable. They have not taken over debtors. Debtors were realized by selling company, and money was used for settlement of provision for tax and bills payable. Trade payables, bills payable and creditors. You are required to calculate the number of equity shares and preference shares to be allotted by Jupiter Limited in discharge of PC. Prepare the realization account, bank account, equity shareholders account, and Jupiter Limited account in the books of Mars Limited. Can you do it? Do it now. Only assets are taken over. Not all assets. Only 3 assets. That's it.